Hi, it's Michelle from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop. I'm here to share with you our July Happy Mail subscription kit. This one is called Island Flowers, and you can see it's a beautiful mix of hot pinks and some pale pinks, all the kinds of yellows and golds. We've got tons of different textures of gold and yellow this month. Some specialty whites, we've got a few greens, and then we've got this really pretty glacier melt pale blue. So that is this month's kit. Of course, your happy mailbox includes 4 mystery items as well, which we do not show you in the pictures. They're totally a surprise, and they coordinate beautifully with the kit, so they will match perfectly. So let me dive in and show you exactly what is included this month. For our main kit this month, we're starting off with a pretty Encore color palette. We have Encore Peach Sherbet, Dusty Rose, and Pink Tulip. Then we have Encore Beehive and Encore Green Tomato. Don't you just love that name? I love it. So that is the color palette that inspired the rest of the box. Next up, we have a sheet of Encore Matte Foil. The color on this is Glamour Pink. It's such a pretty color, and it's got the sheen, the metallic sheen of foil, but no reflection. Then we have Glitter Luxe Princess Pink. We have a sheet of, so originally we were going to have Basil Dotted Swiss in this kit, and with some of the changes that came to American Crafts, just short notice, we're unable to get that. So we do have a sheet that's very, very similar. It'll be Simple Stories. It's a pink dot just like this. It's just not going to be Basil, so we'll have a pink dot. Next up, we have a sheet of Encore Shimmer Beehives. So this is a pearlescent textured yellow cardstock. Then we have a sheet of Star Dream Gold. This is a smooth pearlescent. Such a pretty color of gold yellow. We have a sheet of Glitter Luxe Summer Sun. I've been told this is the perfect yellow glitter cardstock. We have a sheet of Echo Park Bees. So this has this really cute yellow plaid on one side and then teal bees on the other side. We have a sheet of our sequin glitter cardstock, and this is hologram gold. So it's got these cool sequin hexagon shaped glitters, and then it has kind of a hologram finish too. We have a sheet of Cereal Pearl Ice White. This is kind of the basic for this month. This is a smooth pearlescent. We have a sheet of Encore White Holographic. This is Pearl is the color, and it's a white foil. Let's see if I can just get no reflection. So it's a white foil, and then it has these cool kind of holographic shades to it. We have a sheet of Lesabo Sweet Mint. This is a really pretty pale mint color, and it's a smooth cardstock. And last but not least, we have Encore Smooth Glacier Mist, and this is a pale blue. So that is everything included in the main kit. Again, you have those mystery items, which we're not showing you because that's part of the fun, is to not know. And then, of course, your kit includes a free class. This month, we have a guest designer, Salty Yankee. She'll be sharing this adorable farmhouse cart, little gift box, and then a matching gift tag, honey themed. So that is everything included this month, kind of a late summer last hurrah. After this kit, we'll kind of be moving into fall. So this will be your last brightly colored pinks and yellows kit for a while. Now, again, you do get free US shipping with your kits. You get that free class, and you get the mystery items, and you get a curated box of cardstock that you can open up and just start creating, which is really important in busy summer months because you don't have to spend time picking out all your stuff. You can just open it and start creating. So thanks for joining us, and we would love to get one of these sent to your house this month.